This is the blood flow, probably placenta blood flow or something. Now that's the heartbeat. But it's not giving me calculating the heartbeat. Hey loves, welcome back to the Bambus channel. Today I am unboxing this Simply Tots Baby Sound C Fetal Doppler heartbeat monitoring system. I would say at-home monitoring system. Anyways, at least with this, I can listen to the little one's heartbeat without worrying myself or without panicking that, oh, I don't feel this, I don't feel that. But anyways, I'm going to open it up and then let's see what it looks like. Make sure you hit the subscribe buttons, because if you haven't been following me throughout this pregnancy journey, hit it and let's continue. I'm 11 weeks and 4 days today, but I had what you call a pelvic pain. Went to the ER 2 days ago, and the baby was measuring 12 weeks. So the baby is measuring 1 week ahead. But if I had this, then I wouldn't have been worried when I had that cramps. I would have just listened to it. So I decided to get it. I have someone selling it down. They're selling it for $60. So let's open it up. Oh, this is a thank you note. I have the instructions, stroke manuals, and this is the headphone it came with. I like that it's pink. See, I have faith. Hopefully this little one is gonna be a girl, because I have 2 boys. It has the gel, the transducer gel, and you can, I'm really glad it has this because I'm not ready to buy anyone. And then this is probably the probe, detachable. And then the system itself, oh, it came with a battery, 2 AA batteries. And that's the system itself. Let's go ahead and see. It's pink. I like how it's blue on the pack but pink inside, and that's where your battery goes. Open up my 2 AA batteries. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna take out the probe. The headphones. The headphone goes up here, and then you can listen. But I'm not listening right now, so this says, it says with the power button. With the power, that's the power button. It turns on and off. Push the button once to turn it on, then push it once to turn it off. No, you can push the button once to turn it on, and then you can press and hold it for 3 seconds to turn it off. See? Okay. And then this is the mode button. This is the mode. It goes to mode 1, 2, and 3. Press once to enter the next working mode under the working status. I guess that, like now is in mode 2. You can see. And then the Fetal Doppler possesses a memory function. When the machine is turned on, it will enter the mode selected last. The mode selected before last powered off automatically after self-testing. Now this part is the start and stop button right there. It's a start and stop button. Under mode 1 and 2, when you press this button, like now it's on mode 2, the backlight comes off and the backlight comes on when you press it again. But under mode 3, the button, you press the button, the fetal heart rate count starts, and then you press the button again and the counting stops when you're in mode 3. So, and then this is the volume. You go up, higher volume, you go down. So that's what this one is. Okay, let's get started. Just trying to listen. Oh, by the way, this is my baby bump. This is my baby bump for 11 weeks and 3 days, but she's measuring a week ahead. At least at my stomach anyway. Baby number 3. I'll put my gel. I'm gonna turn it on one time press. I would like to put it on mode 3, and then very faint. I need numbers. Now that's my average. Someone wants to watch it, mommy. Say hi. Bye. The little one is helping me. You find it. That's how I find it. And I can hear the heartbeat, but I'm guessing it's not strong enough to calculate it. So when I was calculating all the other blood flows, it calculated all the other blood flows, but will not calculate the heartbeat. But I'll try again in a week and in 2 weeks, and if it's still the same, I will return it. You guys can hear the heartbeat. And then it's off again. Now turn it off on again. Turn it back on. Now I know the spot. But it's not calculating. And I know that's the heartbeat because it was different from the other sound. I know it's the heartbeat because it was different from the other sounds. You would think it should be calculating it. See the difference on my blood flow. See? This is the blood flow sound. This is the blood flow, probably placenta blood flow, something. Now that's the heartbeat. So I'm gonna try in a week or 2. and see. If it doesn't still give me any more calculations, then I might return it. But thank you so much for watching, and enjoy this pregnancy journey with baby number 3 with me. All right, see you in our next video. Bye.